Hi students, welcome back to my channel. CBSE has reduced the syllabus, we all know this. But how can we use that to improve our performance in the exam? In this video, we are going to see the new paper pattern and completely analyze the new paper pattern so that we can understand the weightage of marks distribution, which will help us to do smart studying and get better marks. If you find all this useful to you, please let me know. Also think about subscribing to my channel, as I'll be getting you more videos which will help you score better marks in your class 12. Now let's study in detail the new paper pattern given by CBSE for class 12 English core. So the entire paper is divided into two parts. Part A, which is the objective part, and part B, which is the subjective part. Now in part A, the first is reading, which is of 20 marks. So the entire reading section is in the form of MCQs, where you can get full marks. First question is MCQ. There will be total 11 questions, out of which you will be choosing 10. Each question will be for 1 mark. So the total marks of the first question is 10. It will be a factual or a descriptive passage. In this, you will also have the synonyms and antonyms, that is the vocabulary and meaning. In the second question of the reading section, you will have 11 questions in total, out of which you will be taking 10, and each question will be of 1 mark. So the total marks of the second question is also 10. Here you will find a factual or a descriptive passage, where there will be verbal or visual inputs. Verbal inputs are some statistics or maybe some graph that is presented to you, and that will give you data about what is there in the passage. Verbal inputs could be some headline of a newspaper, or it also could be the beginning of a story or a slogan. Anything could be a verbal input. It could also be a report from a newspaper. Here I have just given you for your information in a writing form the same thing which we have discussed earlier. Now moving on in part A to the next questions. It is literature, and this literature section has total of 20 marks. There are 3 questions in literature. 2 of them are MCQs and 1 is questions which answers you have to write. So the question number 3, MCQ, there will be total of 3, out of which you will be selecting 2 questions. Each question will be from a lesson extract. It will be taken from the lesson, either Flamingo or Vistas. Each question will have 4 answers which you will have to write, 4 1 markers. So extract 4 questions, out of which you will have to write 4. Like that, there will be 2 sets. So each question will be a 1 mark, and totally it will contain 8 marks. The second is also MCQ. Here you will be given only the lines from any poem. Naturally it is from Flamingo, and there will be total of 2 questions, out of which you will be taking 1. It will have 4 questions for which you will have to pick up the answers. Each will be for 1 mark. So the total marks from question number 4 will be 4 marks. Question number 5 will be questions, very short answers. Total there will be 10, out of which you will be taking 8. It could be from Vistas and Flamingos. Each question 1 mark, so the total marks will be 8. Again, I am just giving you for your information whatever I discussed earlier. Now going to part B. Part B consists of writing and literature. Now writing, let us discuss that. It is for 16 marks. There are 4 questions in the writing section. The first question is a short question, short task. You cannot exceed more than 50 words. There will be 2 questions out of which you will choose one. Now this question will be from either notice or advertisement, and the total marks will be 3. The second question is also a similar short task question. You cannot exceed more than 50 words. There will be 2 questions. There will be a choice. You will have to take one, and this will be based on formal, informal invitation and their replies. The total marks given is 3 for this. The third will be letter with visual and verbal input. There will be 2 questions. You will be taking one. The word limit will be between 120 to 150 words. There are only 2 types of letters in this which you have to focus on. One is the application for job and other is the letter to editor. And that is for 5 marks. The article or report writing is the next question. Again, the word limit is 120 to 150 words. There will be 2 questions out of which you will choose one. It will be descriptive or analytic in nature, and there will be verbal inputs. I have already told you verbal inputs means any points that will be given, important points which you will have to take in your answer. Also, it could be some slogan, or it could be a newspaper heading or anything. That will also be for 5 marks. So the total marks for writing section is 16. Moving on, in part B, subjective, literature is totally for 24 marks. The first is the short type questions. We are very familiar with this. This will be between 30 to 40 words. There will be total of 6 questions, out of which you will choose 5. It will be from Flamingo, so naturally it will have lessons and poems. Each question is of 2 marks, so the total marks will be 10. Second is short type questions. Again 30 to 40 words. You will be given 3 questions, out of which you will take 2, but this time it is from Vistas only. Each question will be for 2 marks, so the total will be 4 marks for the second type of short question. Next we are going on to long questions. In long questions, the word limit will be between 120 to 150 words. Again, there will be 2 questions, out of which you will choose one. This is extrapolation beyond the text, and it will be only from Flamingo. It could be from the lesson or from the poem. It will be total of 5 marks. When it is extrapolatory, you need to understand the characters very well, so that you will know beyond the text how they would behave. This is very important to write an extrapolatory. The fourth question is again a long type question. Word limit 120 to 150 words. Totally 2 questions, out of which you will be taking one, which will be for 5 marks. Again extrapolatory, but now it will be based from Vista. Now we are going to do the most important, that is the section wise breakup, which will help you to focus better on the different sections. Now the reading is of 20 marks and everything is MCQ. The writing section marks have been reduced. It is now totally only for 16 marks. Speech and debate has already been deleted. The literature is for 44 marks, so more than 50% of your paper is made of literature. Quickly going through what has been deleted. In Flamingo, there is one point that has been deleted, that is a roadside stand, and 3 lessons. Poets and Pancakes, the interview, going places. In Vista, 3 lessons have been deleted. The Tiger King, Journey to the End of the Earth, and Memories of Childhood. Let's see what is deleted in the reading section. Note making and summarizing has been deleted from your reading section. In your writing section, poster making has been deleted. Business or official letters, some types, that is your inquiry, complaint letter, placing orders and replies, all these have been cancelled. So a big chunk of your business letter types have been cancelled. Lastly, speech and debate has also been cancelled. So the syllabus has been considerably reduced. thanks for watching my video. I would like to get your feedback. Thank you.